program is underway, with 7.6 billion shillings already spent to acquire armored personnel carriers, mine-resistant, ambush-protected vehicles, personal protection equipment for the police, as well as sophisticated weaponry to provide enough firepower to protect our nation. Fellow Kenyans, by September 2022, our country's infrastructure for the production and supply of Kenyan passports had completely collapsed owing to the breakdown of printing equipment, huge supplier debts, and chronic corruption cartels that took advantage of the situation to extort money from desperate applicants. After many months of reorganizing and financing arrangements, as well as personnel deployment at the Immigration Department,